Hi there, today's project is fridge magnets. So let's go ahead into Design Space and start doing this. Alright, so here we are at Design Space, and we are just going to go ahead and create a new file. And then over on the left side where it says shapes, I am going to click on square to make my rectangle for the magnet. And again, the magnet that I got is just from the dollar store. It's a fairly skinny magnet, so it's not that, thick to put in the fridge. And the backside is fairly smooth as well, so it's not going to scratch my my fridge surface there. So that's awesome for me. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and unlock it first, and then I know that my magnet is measured at 2 inches wide by an inch in height. So you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and actually click on the measurement in here. That's gonna be a lot easier. Alright, so this is my actual measurement for it, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and click on text. I'm gonna do magnet that says dad and then mom and then my daughter's name, so you know exactly, there's just 3 of us in the family, so we know exactly which one needs attention in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and come down here. Earlier today I actually downloaded fonts off of thefont.com, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and use one of them. I have Dashing Unicorn, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty whimsy and fun looking, so that's what I picked there. I'm gonna put that over here, trying to maximize it. Maybe I should get all of this in caps, just so it's better. Make that a bit bigger, and then combine both of them, and then you go to line sorry, excuse me, align, and you center horizontally, and maybe center. There you go, that's better. Alright, so that's that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click on both of them, and then we are going to say slice. Well, you know what, yeah, let's go ahead and click on slice, and it technically should remove those in there, and remove that. So these guys are the ones that I don't need. I'm going to be reverse weeding this, as I wanted all my holographic vinyl to show. So that's one. My daughter's name, I put that in here, and I wanted to try something like a handwritten faux calligraphy for her. So I am gonna go ahead and type in, this is a new font for me as well. I just downloaded it, and it's called Goldie Rainbow. Alright, that's that. Ooh, looks fancy. Let's make it bigger for a second here so I can see exactly. Alright, so since you can see here that there's still space in there and this one looks weird, I'm just gonna fix that quickly. You click on that, and you click on ungroup over on the right side in here, and here is where maybe I can make this a bit taller, just so it doesn't really touch that much, because that's how I wanted it. And then for both these, I'm just gonna drag it and then move it over there. And I think that is good. Alright, so I'm gonna select all of it again and then group them again. And then it's important that over on the lower right side, we're gonna go ahead and click on weld, just so it doesn't show individually that you're attaching all the letters in there. Alright, so once that is ready, you're gonna go ahead again and put it into the size that you need. Maybe a bit bigger. Alright, and then again, center it. Alright, and I think my dog is coming upstairs. I could hear him. Anyways, alright, we go ahead and do the same thing. We're just gonna go ahead and slice. Alright, and remove all the remainders in there. Oops. Delete that. And these are all the 3 that you need. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and quickly print this off, and then I'll see you when we assemble all of it. Alright, so I've gone ahead and cut my my vinyl. There you go. We're just gonna go ahead and adhere it to the magnet, and I'm just gonna put this on the side just because it's having a reflection in there, and it's kind of annoying, I know. I'm sorry, these are holographic ones, and I got this off of Amazon. And the brand is Vinyl Frog. It comes in a set of 8. It was $21. It was a good buy, and that's Canadian. So, and here are the magnets that I got. Again, this is measuring at 2 inches wide by 1 inch in the height. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and weed this, and then I'll be right back. You know what, I decided to just keep it on the video in here while I'm filming it, because I know that some of you would like to see the weeding process, and like I said, this is going to be a reverse weed, so whatever's inside is what I'm gonna take off. Okay, remove that carefully. It weeds fairly nicely, and then in here I want to keep the one that's inside in there for the O, so I'm doing this carefully. Alright, and then last one here. Alright, and these are called adhesive vinyl, actually is what it's called. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and get my stash of transfer tape. I actually put it in a sleeve like this, just because I know I'm gonna have a lot of extra. And transfer tape, you can't really reuse them anyway, so I might as well save it. I have some extra there. Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get one. And then get my scraping tool, my jigger. I put that back in there just so it doesn't touch my scraper. Alright. And then should be able to get that. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and carefully place this on there, and like I said, this is adhesive, so it will adhere to it fairly nicely once you've centered it and made sure that that actually is the magnet side. Yeah, okay, so that's good. And I go ahead and remove the transfer tape. Oh, I forgot to really make sure that this is on there real good. Alright. There you go. First one is done. Put that on the side. Put these guys on the side. And then we're on to the next. I checked on Amazon just now before I filmed this, and it doesn't, like, the package that I got for this vinyl is actually a pack of 8. It doesn't have that anymore on there. I think it's out of stock already, and the only one I can see there was for a pack of 4. So that's, I don't know if that's something you'd want to get, but I'm just letting you know. I'm in Canada. I'm not sure about the States, but yeah. I actually bought this because my daughter says that she wants to design a phone case that she ordered off of Etsy, and she wanted something holographic, and the only holographic thing that I have in there was for an iron-on. So I said, okay, I'll buy something from Amazon, because, you know me, an excuse to buy vinyl is Alright, so let's get this. It's the same like the other one. Oops, get in there. And you're gonna get in there. Oops. Alright, so that's that, and then let's get this all centered on the next magnet. Yeah. Oops. And then let's go ahead and remove that. And on to the last one. Now this is my daughter's name, and hers is the fancy cursive font. Maybe I should make one for the dog as well, because, you know, dog appointments and stuff. I forgot about the dog. Oh well. Alright, so I finished this one here. The font that I picked was actually very intricate and very, very hard to read, but I was able to manage it. Maybe the next time that I use this, I'm actually going to I am going to make it like a bold text so it's thicker. Lines are so thin that they were kind of breaking when I was reading it, but it's all good. Really am a beginner with Cricut anyway, so I learn. Alright, so that's that. Gonna go ahead and put this on here as central as I can do it. Yeah, that's good. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that this is really on there good. And then let's take this transfer tape off. Alright, so that's kind of messed up the R there, but it's still good. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And there's the mom. And there's the oh my god, they're so pretty. Let's go downstairs and actually put it in the fridge. Oops. Let's try these.